All right, let's start with the big story that we're tracking on Wion at this hour, where the Pakistani Supreme Court, very interestingly, has stepped in and has suspended the notification that had been issued in the month of August, which had given an extension to General Qamar Javed Bajwa, the chief of Pakistani Army. The court has now issued a notice to all parties, including to the Pakistani Defence Ministry and also to General Bajwa, who is due to retire on the 29th of this month. Now, remember, he'd earlier been given an extension of 3 years. He's 58 years old, and if that extension had been in place, then he would have served as the Pakistani Army chief till the year 2022. Now, this extension had been granted to General Bajwa by the Imran Khan government on the 19th of August. Now, while speaking on the case, the Supreme Court said that the cabinet has 25 members and only about 11 members voted in favour of the resolution. So the extension was given without the consent, argues the court, of the majority of the cabinet. The court has also further said that only the President of Pakistan can approve such an extension for an army chief, and the hearing of the case has now been adjourned until tomorrow. And also, Wion's Islamabad Bureau Chief Anas Malik has been tracking the story very closely for us and has sent us this report.
Well, yes, in an unprecedented development, the Supreme Court today has suspended the notification that was issued by the Prime Minister on the 19th of August under the pretext that it did not have a majority from the cabinet and that the authority to issue such notifications is the President only. The Supreme Court has also argued that the grounds on which this extension was granted was that currently the country is in a state of emergency and that it faces challenges. The Supreme Court has argued that what is the guarantee that this emergency or this unknown situation would end after 3 years. The Supreme Court has also asked the Attorney General to provide complete documentation. It has said that under Article 243 of the Constitution, this right or this prerogative is with the President and not just the Prime Minister. It has also said that about the dates that this notification was issued on the 19th of August, whereas the summary was approved on the 21st of August. So lots of ambiguities that were there in the notification that was issued. The Supreme Court will formally be hearing the case tomorrow as well. Now, this is an interim order, and in all likelihood, if the cabinet approves by majority, which the Supreme Court has contested, then the legal grounds would fall slightly short as we speak.